Emotions have been high throughout this case. Karmelo Anthony supporters had hoped 2 days of testimony would lead to a new trial, but that was denied. Meanwhile, Austin Metcalf's family has fought to keep Anthony in prison. During that hearing, both sides heard disturbing and graphic details about both Karmelo Anthony and Austin Metcalf's past.
I know that there's a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings right now. And a lot of that is because this is the first time that people heard a lot of this stuff.
Anthony's attorneys argued restrictions on public access, including limited seating and no overflow courtroom, violated his right to a public trial. And they said an agreement between the two sides to keep character information out of the trial fell apart, so Karmelo Anthony didn't take the stand to claim self-defense. A judge said after hearing and looking at all of the evidence, Anthony isn't getting a new trial. His attorney, Russell Wilson, said, "We respectfully disagree with the ruling. The denial of our motion does not end this case. We will continue the appeal to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals and pursue every legal remedy available to our client." District Attorney Greg Willis says, "We respect and expected the court's decision denying the motion for a new trial. The jury's guilty verdict stands, and we remain confident in the process." The Metcalf family says it is not ready to speak publicly about the ruling. Pastor Bruce Carter, speaking for the Austin Metcalf Foundation, says both families are living with the consequences.
Someone's child is in the grave and another person's child is facing 35 years. There are no winners. And if this foundation can save one group of kids and families from this pain, I'm all in.
The ruling ends Anthony's fight for a new trial in this courtroom. But for the two families forever changed by one deadly encounter, the emotional and legal battles are far from over. In Dallas, I'm Rebecca Lopez.